submit a health questionnaire through the QR code system.
I recommend that you're walking in.
아, 기존 거?
Cabin crew, mode selector, arm, and cross check.
Please stow all your belongings in the overhead compartment or under the seat. ไทยมีความยินดีที่จะอำนวยความสะดวกสบายด้วยความเต็มใจตลอดการเดินทางค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you for your attention. We are pleased to provide a Royal Orient service. We hope you enjoy and have a pleasant flight.
Opening in flight 23. We have excellent range of duty-free products for sale on board. If you are interested in purchasing any of our duty-free products, Kingdom of Thailand. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs turn off. Be careful when opening